welcome back. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So, as you can see from the description below, today we have another unboxing of the Variety Fun. My address is down here, so I'm going to cover this up. The Variety Fun snack box. You guys, this box is amazing. And the day that I am filming this is actually Christopher's last day of school. He gets out at 12 o'clock today, so this came right in time, and I just think this box is awesome. They do now only offer 2 different plans. They have the box here that I have that has 40 snacks for $24.99 a month, and then they do have like their Fit box, which also now only comes in 1 size. And I do have a coupon code FUN20 to get you 20% off your first box. I will put that in a link down below. But let's get unboxing. This is always so much fun in the variety. I can't help but say that, even though this is Variety Fun. I really can't help but say that in every unboxing, that the variety of snacks in this box is always amazing. And it has been a huge hit with my husband and my son. They tear into it as soon as it arrives. So let's go ahead and unseal this bad boy and see what we got this time. Oh, I see some stuff that looks interesting. So hashtag snacks. Alright, so here's what we see so far. And I am definitely seeing things that I've seen in a couple boxes before, but I am seeing some stuff I haven't seen. So yay. Alright. It's a big old box. So the first thing here we have are the crunchy cheese doodles, which is great. We have the puffed baked cheese doodles. Yum. This is one of my favorites, the Wise Dipsy Doodles, the wavy corn chips. I love these. I think they're so good, especially with hummus. I love like a roasted red pepper hummus. Oh. And then Pop Chips Ridges Bold and Crunchy Buffalo Ranch. Now this sounds like something my husband would love. And then, now see, Christopher loves these Popcorners chips. I don't know if he'll like this flavor. It's jalapeno cheddar, but my husband or myself will probably really enjoy these. I'm sure these are amazing. And then we have the Cheetos Crunchy hot version. My husband will love these. Excuse me. We have some classic Ruffles. Can never go wrong with those. Some Fritos. Yum. Some classic Lay's. Again, you can never go wrong with those. I don't know how they fit all this stuff in this box, y'all. Some Doritos. Christopher is going to be very happy. This is like his favorite. Oh, I love these. The little Smashmallow treats. This is the mint chocolate chip. These are so yummy. And then this is Farm to Bag Benito's Super Powerful Beans. Nacho Nation White Bean Chips. That's interesting. I've never seen these before, but I bet they're yummy. And they sound like they're fairly healthy, which is good. I'm going to start putting stuff over here because... And here we have a granola cookie bakes blueberry pomegranate. Oh, yum. We have Nature's Bakery Fig Bar, the original fig. That sounds yummy too. Here we have a couple Nutri-Grain bars. We have apple cinnamon and blueberry. We have 2 bags of the Cheez-It Scrabble Junior. Oh my gosh, I have not seen this in forever. And Kitty was just talking about this in a video. This is Cracker Jack, you guys. And it says a prize inside. Awesome. Christopher has never had this, so I will let him try this. If he doesn't like it, I'm getting it. This I know he will love. Again, this is like his favorite cookie, the Fudge Stripe Minis. He loves those from Keebler. Oh, I love this. The Angie's Boom Chicka Pop, the sweet and salty kettle corn. Yum. Excuse me. Metro Deli kettle cooked potato chips, sour cream and chive. Ooh, that sounds good. Some of these brands I haven't heard of, which is awesome. Get to try some new stuff. Or then you get the good old classic 6 Oreos right here. I know my child will love these. Let's see, we've got a couple here of the Mott's fruit snacks. And I'll be honest, I still love fruit snacks. I'm 35 and I love fruit snacks. No shame in my game. All right, so we got a couple Rice Krispie treats. We have a chocolate right here. And then we have 2, and these, of course, these are some of Christopher's favorites. These are the Rice Krispie treats with the little mini M&Ms. They're really good. Okay. So then we have Abby's Cookies. Wholesome, delicious. These are shortbread. Oh, I bet they're good. So there's those. And then we have, looks like basically the same company, just Remy's Grams. These are like cinnamon little mini graham crackers. Those look good. And then Abby's Cookies again. These are just chocolate chip, which is awesome. Ooh, okay, awesome. Okay, this is fantastic. So we usually I have gotten some of the Lance crackers in previous boxes. These are my favorite. These are the cream cheese and chive. So I'm super excited to see these in here. So there's 2 of these. We've been getting some that are kind of like spicy. They're good. It's just, and I'm glad that they've been in the box because it's not a flavor I typically would have bought, but I'm glad to see my favorite in this box. And then the good old classic, we got 2 of the cheese cracker with the peanut butter. These are a hit with both of my guys. And we got 2, again, this is something Christopher loves, the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut Bars in peanut, 2 of them. These are really, really good. We also got 2 Nature Valley Trail Mix Chewy Granola Bar. These are both the fruit and nut with almonds, raisins, peanuts, and cranberries. And then we got the Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bar Oats and Honey. I love these. There's 2 of these in here, I believe. And these are just so good. I'm really liking, so that was everything in the box. But I'm really liking that we have like the variety of like sweet and salty snacks, but we also have stuff like this and like the Nutri-Grain bar that could be a quick on-the-go breakfast, which is awesome. I am really excited about both of these. The Nature's Bakery Fig Bar and the Granola Cookie Bakes, the Blueberry Pomegranate. So I actually feel like they mixed a couple of healthy things in, which I really do like. So that was the June 2019 Variety Fun Snack Box. This is the Fun Box. Like I said, they do have this box and a fit box. They now do only have one size for each. They have this one with the 40, and then I believe it's like 30 in the fit box. I'm not 100% sure on that one. And then, like I said, I will put a link and a code down below, VIP, or not VIP, FUN20, to get you 20% off your first box. So let me know what you guys thought. Again, I think the variety or assortment of snacks is always fantastic and so all over the spectrum. Sweet, salty, healthy, yummy, just all of it. So I love this subscription. My boys love this subscription. Let me know down below what you think. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.